Hi, my name is Romel Regaton, and today I will explain an example of an arithmetic sequence using a real-life situation. An arithmetic sequence is a list of numbers where the difference between its term is the same. For example, 2, 5, 8, and 11. So the difference is plus 3. So we call it the common difference. 2 plus 3 is equals 5, and 5 plus 3 is equals 8, and 8 plus 3 is equals 11. So therefore the difference is 3. And now we have here one example of word problem. Maria saves money every week. On the first week, she saves 50 pesos. Every week, she adds 20 pesos more than the previous week. And now the question is, how much money will she save on the 10th week? So, the given first term is A sub 1 equals 50. And the common difference is 20. And the term is N equals 10. So, to solve this given problem, we have the arithmetic sequence formula, which is A sub N equals A sub 1 plus open parenthesis N minus 1 close parenthesis, then the common difference. So A sub 10, because the value of N or the term is 10, then equals 50 plus open parenthesis and 10 minus 1 close parenthesis, then the common difference, which is 20. And then we subtract N minus 1. So the value of N is 10. 10 minus 1 is equals 9. So therefore, A sub 10 equals 50 plus open parenthesis 9, then copy the common difference 20, and then we multiply the value of N and the common difference. So we have A sub 10 equals 50 plus 180, because 9 times 20 is equals 180. So we add these two, and then we have the final answer, which is A sub 10 equals 230. So the solution shows that on the 10th week, Maria will save 230 pesos. And that's how arithmetic sequence work in real life. And also, this shows how arithmetic sequence can be used in saving money, budgeting, and also planning. And that's all. Thank you.